Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn from Florals.com and today I'm back with something I haven't filmed in what seems like a really long time, but I have a Joann's haul, and as many of you guys know, I moved earlier this year and I haven't really had a chance to explore the craft stores near me. So this was a brand new Joann's for me and it did not disappoint. I know a lot of people are disappointed with the big box stores lately, but luckily for me, I went in there for some actual other projects I'll be working on, not so much scrapbooking stuff, but I have a haul for you today, some home decor, just a lot of fun things. So I thought I would do a video of it and share it with you guys. If you like hauls, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. I also have some small business hauls coming up, so if you're looking for gifts or fun things to buy for your friends and family or for yourself, be on the lookout for those, crafty and non-crafty of course. But I thought we'd get started with Joann's, and I have my little baggie here. Now there is one thing that didn't fit inside the bag, nor will it fit inside the frame fully, but I got this beautiful art piece for the wall. All of their place and time spring decor items were 70% off. And spoiler alert, I'm working on a super fun gallery wall for my crafty space, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. But this is one of the first things I bought for it. And it says beautiful, almost mustard yellow, golden color, sort of embossed floral pattern. And at the bottom here, it says more things. It says be kind and do good, which is obviously a really fun phrase. And then on the top to hang it, we have this little burlap strap. This was originally $30, and like I said, it was 75% off. So I thought it was a decent price, and it is very large. As you can tell, it did not fit in frame. But let me get out some goodies from this bag and we'll jump into the rest of the haul. So as I mentioned earlier, the place and time spring items were 70% off. So I got a couple more home decor pieces and some crafty like items. So they have a couple of these. They release these all year long at both Michael's and Joann's. And this time they had cork ones and wooden ones. So I ended up getting one of the wooden ones. This one says bring on the sunshine. Originally it was $1.99. So it's a nice thin wood veneer shaped piece. I think this would look beautiful on a scrapbook page, so I picked up that. And then I also picked up two cork ones. I got this little hummingbird because I do have hummingbird photos to scrapbook eventually at some point. I'll probably get to that. And then I also got this one that says do more good. And the cork ones, this one was $1.99 and so was this one. But really, really cute items. Make sure you check out things beyond your normal crafting sections because you'll find items like these. I love cork and wood veneer on my pages and projects, so I thought these would be great. And even as small elements in a gallery wall, all of these could be fun and useful there too. So those were 70% off. Similar to the other gallery wall item I got another wood plaque. This one says kindness changes everything, with this adorable little illustration and these fun, I guess it would be carved out pieces of the wood. And this one was originally $15. It comes with, again, a burlap strap if I wanted to hang it by that, but also a nail hook. So I have some options for making sure that can get on my wall safely and securely. Obviously, I don't want anything falling, especially with cats. You guys know they get into everything, so all of these will be securely attached to the wall. And hopefully my friend isn't watching this because I bought her a gift at Joann's as well. And again, they had a lot of these. I only picked up one, but this was originally $7.99, and it's a 1 gallon gardening, it says gardening equipment, but what it really is like a bucket to put your plant in case you don't have a planter. So here is the design on this one. It says bloom where you are planted, and I thought it was a decent size. So you can see that inside there it says it has the print on the burlap. So it's a little green one, and my friend is a hardcore plant lady, so I got her this little green one, and it does have a liner in it. So it has a waterproof liner in there, which I'd imagine is attached, but maybe it's removable as well. So I thought that'd be really, really, really cute to give her. It looks like it might have straps. Again, I don't want to open it because it is a gift, but it looks like it also has like a cute little strap on it in case you did want to hang it up. And they had tons of sizes of these, square ones, bigger ones, smaller ones. So if you have like succulents or anything like that, these might be a fun choice. Or again, if you have a gardener in your life, a great item to gift them for a birthday or for an upcoming occasion. So I got that. And then the last item from the home decor section, the place and time collection, was this tray. Now, had I realized, I don't think I would have purchased it. It is wobbly, so it is not flat. It must have gotten bent. Now this is metal, so I can ideally bend it back, but it's got this beautiful hammered texture into it with these round divots, and they're not all equal, so it's like not super flat. But I almost pictured this on a vanity or something. And again, this is another great sort of gift item for someone. Originally $14.99, 70% off. And I really, really like how it is. This beautiful, like light gold color. I'm not a heavy gold person. I used to be a silver person actually, but I'm dipping into gold. So this is a lighter yellow gold color. And I just really love the texture it gives and how fun it is. So that's everything from Place and Time. So let's jump into some more crafty items, but still not your typical stuff. But let me go grab those. This was something I happened across because there was a giant sale sign on it. So I decided to take the dive into the sustainable journaling section and just really dive into what it was and what was happening there. First I saw was this wood press, and I'm like, a wood press? And then I turned it over and it's to press flowers, and that made my heart soar. I adore the look of pressed flowers. I don't know what I'd do with them, but I really like the idea of it and figuring out what I could do with them, artwork, you know, et cetera, et cetera. And so they have this wood press here. It's 4 1/4 by 8 1/4, which is actually the size of my traveler's notebook, which I thought was very interesting. But apparently all of this line from American Crafts is sustainably made and made from eco-friendly materials. So I assume these are reclaimed wood and fully recyclable. So no plastic on this one. It's all cardboard, so I can fully recycle that. So I thought it was an interesting idea. So I looked up the price of this because I was a little bit concerned that it was going to be pricey. I mean, it's a flower press. It seems like it would be, you know, something that'd be more expensive, or that would be, I don't know, hard to find. They had a ton of these as well, and a lot more than I'm showing you here today. So if you're into journaling, definitely check out Joann's for this American Crafts line, which again, I haven't seen anywhere else. But this was around $3 once it was on clearance. And I just couldn't believe that that's how much it would be. It seems like if it was sustainably made that it would be a lot more, but I'm really excited I found it and to give it a try. Let me know if you guys would love to see some pressed flower work with this, or if you want to see me do projects with pressed flowers. There are so many beautiful flowers in Florida, and I keep getting bouquets from my boyfriend, so I'm sure I'll have some flowers to press soon and to give this a try. But let me know if you want to see a video on that, or maybe I'll go do it over on Patreon. But besides that, they had journals. They had actual journals. They had different types of ones, leather. They had some made of like this cotton material, really great. But these caught my eye, and again had tons of different ones of these. And these are, again, sustainable journaling line from American Crafts, and these are wood shapes. So I got the travel themed pack and I got the floral themed pack. They also had like fruits and vegetables. They had like an animal pack. They had some other ones as well, but these are the items that are in there. So here is the floral pack up close, and as you guys know, I adore florals. But these are thoughtfully packaged with recyclable materials, so it is recyclable, even though this one does have plastic on it. Fully recyclable. So this is from 2020, I suppose, so maybe that's why I'd never heard of it. Same with this one, but this travel one, are you kidding me? They have a cruise ship? Are you kidding me? I love cruising, and I have so many more cruise photos to scrapbook, so that is absolutely perfect for me. And I just love all of these items. I almost bought 2 of them. I restrained myself. These ended up being $1.59 after they were on sale, so again, really great deal for that many pieces of wood veneer. But again, all this stuff was sort of getting clearanced out, I assume because it is from last year and they do have more things coming out. But tons of journals. They had pencils made out of recycled paper. They had a ton of different fun things for this line from American Crafts. So again, it might be a Joann's exclusive, but check online, check your other retailers. You might be able to find something fun. But I can't wait to use some of these wood veneers. And of course, my flower press, which again, I'm stoked about. So let me know if you guys are too. Lastly, I got a couple random things from Joann's throughout the store. Some things were on sale, some things were just in the clearance section. Overall, really happy with these purchases. As you guys know, I don't buy full collections. That's not my style, but I do love certain color schemes and certain designers, and I decided to dive in. Firstly, this one was a little bit of a splurge. I mean, it was still on sale, but their stamps were on sale. I saw this little guy here, this little Disney stamp set was peeking from the top shelf of the stamping area, and I kind of had to, right? Because it is 1, adorable, and 2, it's Disney. And as you guys know, I have a ton of Disney photos to scrapbook. So this particular stamp set has a lot of different elements on it. We have Magical Memories, Best Vacation Ever, Dream Big, In My Happy Place, Bring on the Magic, and if I open it, you'll be able to see the rest because they do have that warning on the front. And then we have little ears, Mickey ears, the balloon. We have mini ears, Time for Adventure, Fun in the Sun, which is obviously good on everything. The castle, which isn't This almost looks like the Shanghai Castle. Correct me if I'm wrong, any of my other Disney fans out there, but I'm pretty sure this is because it has 7 spires, but either way, still love it. A little ice cream cone, the stars and sparkles. I love little stamp details like that, especially even like the little camera there. So I adore this stamp set. I think it is beyond precious. This was only $3 after it was on sale, and again, you guys know me, I love Disney. I'm definitely going to use this, so I'm super excited about that. Then I got a couple sets of stickers. I'll start with the cardstock stickers first that were on clearance. These are a Heidi swap set for $2.47. Not a super great clearance deal, but I love some of these colors. I almost did not get it because I'm not great with number stickers, so this is going to be a problem area for me. But I did love like the journaling sections on the back. So here you can see a bunch of them. There's this like calendar little one that says love this life. The best day consists of, and then a grid, this or that, which I think was super fun. And then down here it says, it's kind of covered up, but it says story. And then this one says currently loving. And then on the front, of course, we have a bunch of other fun things. I really love these circle elements. I think they're really trendy and fun. And again, some more journaling elements down here. Either way, I adore the color scheme, so I think it'll be integrated well into my stash and hopefully use it in a stash kit soon. Let me know if you guys want to see any of the products I featured today in any upcoming videos. I'll also try to have the products linked down below if they are available on Joann's website in case you guys are interested. And then I'll make it easier for you guys to be enabled as well. Next up, I got a new set of thicker accent stickers. So these are the chipboard fun ones. This one's called Delightful. I have no idea what collection this is from. I believe it might have been a Dear Lizzie one, but beats me because I don't keep up with the collection. So you can let me know in the comments down below if you have this one and you'd love to see me use it. I love using chipboard, and I'm currently being deprived of it because I'm working on my traveler's notebook, as you guys knew, through the month of June. And I didn't use any chipboard, so I'm really desperate to grab some more chipboard in my life. And of course, on the back here, a lot of smaller elements, which I love. I always love when they include the word magic because, again, Disney layouts, it's the perfect spot for it. And I also really love this one. I like this style. And you see a lot of artwork like this on Instagram lately. So it says kind heart, fierce mind, and brave spirit. And then this one, grow through what you go through. Now, am I a fan of holographic? No, I am not. So that kind of makes me a little upset that they keep doing that in several of their collections, because it's almost like it can go with everything, but it also can like clash with some things. It like goes with everything, but also doesn't go with everything. But I like when it looks silver. I'm just glad that I can work with these colors, and it's still very beautiful. It's just hard to get a read on something that always changes colors and hard to match up with. Lastly, I found these guys, which I believe this is a Vicky Bouton collection. This is Good Things, which was $2.47, which I believe is what these were actually on sale for as well. Or maybe this was $3, $2.99, and these were $2.47. Either way, these were on sale as well. But this was back in the clearance section. All the Good Things. I don't particularly love gold glitter, but I do love black foam thickers, so I thought it was worth it for at least half the pack. And again, I love accents of gold glitter, just not full titles. So we'll see if we make it work. I do love these elements though. Life is Good is a perfect one. Shine On, Happy, Shine On. Why is my in there? Now I'm confused. Shine On, My, Happy, and then like you're supposed to fill in the blank. We'll figure it out, but I think a lot of you guys have this thicker set. Let me know if it is from that collection, if it is from Vicky Bouton, because I don't think I own anything from her except a stencil perhaps. But either way, I really, really love all of these elements, and I really, really love the lighting today that we have going here. But that is everything I bought at Joann's. So did I spend $40 at Joann's? Yes. Did I need to spend any of that? No. But I did find a great gift for my friend. I found items for my gallery wall, which again, is a project I'm working on. I found sustainable journaling products. I found a new hobby, which is going to be flower pressing. Again, let me know if you guys want to see that in the comments down below, or if you do have this and have used it, let me know how it went. I'm hoping it comes with more instructions than what's just on the back, but I'm going to assume not because it's sustainable packaging, so they included everything you needed right here. But it simply seems like the chipboard pressing plates will absorb a lot of the flower materials that make it, you know, not dry, and then essentially it'll be flat as a pancake when it's done. So super excited about that. And of course, all of our elements for our gallery wall and our decorating. But make sure you look around the entire store, I promise. This was a new Joann's to me, so I did want to look around the entire store. But obviously, every Joann's is different. Not everything has the same availability. But again, I'll try to link down below some of these products so you can check them out. I don't know if the Place and Time collection will be online anymore, but some of this other stuff should be. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this little haul and look forward to me using some of these products. And again, Always let me know if you own some of these products in the comments down below, because that'll make sure that I can feature them in some upcoming videos to inspire you sometime soon. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my first haul video back in a little while. I do have some more to film. Like I said, I have some other fun stuff I want to share with you, like a pin haul maybe, because I am addicted to collecting pins now. But either way, I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, so you don't miss out on me using these fun supplies, maybe the wood press, we will see. But I hope you guys enjoyed again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!